What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Honest Diecast. Tonight we are doing an unboxing, and an unboxing that I am highly looking forward to. A couple of cars that I've been really looking forward to that I have not found out in the wild yet. One very recently, actually 4 of them very recently released. So we are on the hunt for those, and then one that has been released for quite some time that I just have not been lucky enough to find. So let's get the unboxing underway. This package is from my good friend Tim. So let's see what Tim sent us today. Right, so we are currently on the hunt for these right here. These are the gorgeous, and I cannot believe I'm holding them in my hands because I'm looking forward to finding these so much. But these are the Kroger exclusive Datsuns 510 wagons. Super excited to actually have 3 of these. Definitely hoping to find some of these in the wild. Man, I still can't believe that people are asking 20 bucks a piece for these, but friggin' awesome. Super stoked to have these. So that's the first thing. And it's a little crooked. The second thing is the P-Case Pagani Huayra Super Treasure Hunt. Looks like it's on an international card, and I am correct. It is on an international card. Another thing that we will definitely be looking forward to finding. Hopefully we do find some. We get to a Kroger shipper first and get some of these 510s, and hopefully pull a US card of one of these Pagani Huayras. Absolutely beautiful. And just for comparison, here's the short card version of it. The short card is definitely more of a metallic matte green, where the Super is definitely a Spectraflame light green, kind of like a Sprite green, a 7-Up green, you can say. Friggin' beautiful. Absolutely love it. Thank you very much, Tim. Definitely wanted this one. And last but not least, a Super that has eluded me greatly, that I've been searching high and low for. The K-Case 57 Chevy. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely love this Super. Super bummed, no pun intended, that we have not been able to find this in the wild. We have caught quite a bit of fresh K-Case, some Walgreens side shippers. Just haven't been lucky enough to find this one, unfortunately, but man, friggin' beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Awesome. So that is it for our super quick unboxing. Super stoked, definitely, to at least have a couple of these in hand. The Kroger exclusive 510 wagons in the yellow. The K-Case 57 Super, which 57 Chevy Super, which I am super stoked. I'm stupid stoked to have this car, and I literally am. Very thankful for Tim for giving this one up in our deal. Very thankful, very stoked to have that. And then of course the Pagani Huayra PK Super on the international card. Again, really hoping that we find a couple of these in the Kroger shippers. We will see. We will be out hunting hard this weekend, seeing if we can actually find this and this in the wild. I also do have an unboxing video to do from today. Go over some finds. Nothing too crazy. We just stayed in town today, but I will get the closing video all wrapped up, and we will get that uploaded shortly after this. So we are almost at 250 subscribers. Again, I cannot thank you guys enough. Thank you for your support, your contributions to the channel. Everything is so much appreciated. I really appreciate it. So stay tuned shortly. We'll get this weekend's finds, which are right here. We'll get the finds video up shortly. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. We will see you next time.